If you're a beginner or experienced trader and you are considering Exness as your broker, don't make the decision yet until you watch this Exness review to the end. Exness is an online forex broker that was established in 2003, and they offer CFDs in forex, commodities, indices, stocks, and cryptocurrency. Like every other broker, Exness has its pros and cons, and that's what we are here to discuss in this video. As you should know, before choosing a broker to trade with in South Africa, you want to first of all verify that that broker is licensed by the Financial Sector Conduct Authority, the FSCA, and Exness is regulated by the FSCA. But don't take my word for it. Let's verify Exness license with the FSCA. First of all, we'll take the Exness FSP number from the Exness website, and then we'll head on to www.fsca.co.za. Scroll to the bottom and click on FSP search. Enter the Exness FSP number. So here you see that Exness is licensed by the FSCA, and they got their license in 2020, and they hold a category 1 license. Now, aside from the FSP number, brokers who offer contract for difference in South Africa are expected to have an over-the-counter derivative provider license. And Exness is a CFD broker, so let's verify that they have an ODP license. To do this, visit www.fsca.co.za and scroll to the bottom. Then click on List of Regulated Entities and Persons. Click on OTC Derivative Providers and then enter the broker's name, and in this case, we are entering Exness. From the results, we see that Exness has an approved ODP license. Now, what an ODP license does is that it's an addition to the Category 1 license. Brokers with ODP license can act as counterparties and are allowed to issue CFDs. Now, brokers with ODP license can act as market makers, and what this means is that they take the opposite side of your trade and they profit when you incur losses, and they also have the opportunity to hedge against the risks. And seeing that Exness has an approved ODP license, it means that Exness is a market maker. So they take the opposite side of your trade. This means that when you buy, Exness is selling to you, and when you sell, Exness is buying. So there you have it. Exness is properly licensed in South Africa. They have a verifiable FSP number that is very much active, and they have an approved ODP license. So we can say that Exness is a legit broker in South Africa based on what we just saw from the FSCA website. However, that's not all. Yes, regulation is a very important factor before choosing a broker, but it's not everything. You also need to check that the broker's trading condition suits your trading style, and let's see Exness trading condition. Exness offers CFDs on a range of tradable instruments. Now, when you trade CFDs, you do not own the assets that you buy or that you sell, but you can profit from speculating. To understand CFDs better, you can see the video on my Trading Lounge University on contracts for difference. I'll leave the link in the description below. Now, Exness offers over 1,200 CFD instruments, including 100 plus currency pairs, and that's the major, minor, and exotic pairs. They offer up to 90 plus stocks, metals, cryptocurrencies, energies, and indices. It is notable to add that Exness offers the NAS 100 index, which is also known as the US Tech 100 index. You should also know that Exness offers stock CFDs from different sectors like energy, finance, technology, and more. However, we notice that while the tech category offers stock from popular tech companies like Meta, Tesla, the energy category has just one stock, and that's from ExxonMobil. We also notice that the cryptocurrency CFD selection on Exness is also limited, with Bitcoin crosses and a few options for Litecoin and Ethereum. Another limitation we observe with Exness product range is that they do not offer exchange-traded derivatives like futures and options. Exness product range is limited, especially when you compare with other competitors. Exness does not even offer government bonds, ETFs, and commodities like wheat and soya beans. So if you are looking to trade with Exness, you want to be sure that the particular assets that you are looking to trade is available on Exness. Now, when it comes to leverage, Exness offers small traders who have small capital a leverage of up to 1:2,000 so that they can control larger size of investments. However, you should keep in mind that the leverage varies depending on the assets you are trading. For Forex, Exness offers up to 1 ratio unlimited leverage. For cryptocurrency, Exness offers 1 ratio 400 as maximum leverage. For indices, they have 1 ratio 200. For metals, they have 1 ratio 2000. For energies, 1 ratio 200. And for stocks, 1 ratio 20. So the maximum leverage you use will depend on the asset you are trading. And as you should know, you want to be very careful with using leverage because leverage is a double-edged sword. While it can help amplify your profits because it gives you the opportunity to trade larger size with small capital, leverage can also amplify your losses. So you want to be very careful with using it. In the video on how to start trading in South Africa, we explained leverage better. And if you want to understand it better, you can watch that video. The link will be in the description below. Now, when it comes to account types, Exness offers up to 7 different live trading account types. And this is good because it gives you a plethora of options to choose from. Exness account types are categorized into standard accounts and professional accounts. And for standard accounts, Exness has the standard account and the standard cents account. The minimum deposit on both the standard and the standard cents account is $10, and spread on the standard account starts from 0.2 pips, but for the standard cents account, spread starts from 0.3 pips. Both accounts do not charge commission and they have up to 1 ratio unlimited leverage for Forex trade. While you can trade Forex, metals, cryptocurrencies, energy, stocks and indices on the standard account, on the standard cent account you can only trade Forex and metals. And both accounts have a minimum lot size of 0.01. For the professional account, Exness has the Pro accounts, the Zero account and the Raw Spread account. Now the Pro account has a minimum deposit of $500, but spread in this account starts from 0.1 pips. The account does not charge commission and has a maximum leverage of 1 ratio unlimited. And you can trade Forex, metals, cryptocurrency, indices, stocks and energies on the Pro account. The Zero account has very similar features with the Pro account. Minimum deposit starts from 500, but spread starts from 0 pips. And unlike the Pro account that does not charge commission, the Zero account has a commission that starts from $0.05 per side per lot. And leverage on this account is as high as 1 ratio unlimited. The Raw Spread account is also almost as similar as the Zero account, has a minimum deposit of $500 and spread start from 0 pips. However, commission on these accounts can go up to $3.5 per side per lot. The minimum lot size for all the professional accounts is 0.01 standard lots. Exness also has 2 social trading accounts for copy trading. These accounts allow you to copy the trading strategies of professional and experienced traders for a commission. The minimum deposits on the social standard account is $5 and spread starts from 1 pip. Exness does not charge you a commission when you open trade with these accounts. However, you will have to pay a commission or a percentage to the experienced trader whose trade you are copying. Keep that in mind because then it's a copy trading account. And the maximum leverage on the social standard account is 1 ratio 200. You can only trade Forex, metals and cryptocurrency on this account. Now the social Pro account has a much higher minimum deposit. Minimum deposit is as high as $2,000 and the spread on the social Pro account is lower compared to the social standard accounts because spread on this account starts from 0.6 pips. This account does not charge commission and maximum leverage is 1 ratio 200. You can trade Forex, metals and cryptocurrencies on this account. The social accounts also have the same minimum lot size as the standard accounts and the professional accounts, 0.01 standard lots. Now, as we already saw, the minimum deposit on Exness is $10 and that's if you are trading with either of the standard accounts. Minimum deposits can go as high as $500 for the professional account and as high as $2,000 for the social Pro accounts. So it just depends on the account you are using to trade. You should also keep in mind that Exness also has a demo account. This demo account allows you to practice trading with virtual funds. So you learn how the market works without investing real money. Exness demo account is free of charge. Just open and practice. Now let's talk about Exness fees, because when you are trading CFDs, fees is one of the things you want to consider. When a broker charges very high fees, chances are it will eat into your trading capital or your trading profits, and that's not good for you. So let's see if Exness fees are competitive. Now when it comes to fees, Exness is a market maker, and as such, they charge relatively low fees. Exness does not charge swap on Forex, gold, and cryptocurrency trading. However, aside from the exception of Forex, gold, and cryptocurrency, Exness charges swap on all other assets and on all their accounts. However, if Exness notices that you are intentionally leaving your positions overnight because you know that the assets does not incur swap fees, then Exness will have to downgrade your account from an extended swap-free account to a standard swap-free account. And what this means is that you only get swap-free on cryptocurrency. Exness does not charge inactivity fee, and out of the 7 live trading accounts, 5 are commission free. But note that the zero and the raw spread accounts charge commission. Exness offers some of the lowest spread in the market. For instance, when trading popular pairs like the Great Britain pound paired against the US dollar on the standard account, note that the standard account is their entry level option. You typically see spread around 1.2 pip. However, if you are using the professional Exness account, major currency pairs like Great Britain pound paired against the US dollar come with added benefits of zero spread. When it comes to USD paired against South African rand, which is a currency pair that is popular here in South Africa, the spread varies significantly depending on the account type. On the professional Exness account, the spread is about 15.3 pips, while on the standard account, which is the entry-level account, spread is around 194.4 pips. So when it comes to fees, Exness fees are competitive and they are relatively low compared to competitors. Now, another thing that you always want to check out for when choosing a broker is the broker's platform, the range of platform that this broker offers. So let's also see that for Exness. Now, Exness platforms are available on a wide range of devices, from desktop to mobile and even web. For mobile, Exness offers MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and their flagship trading app called the Exness Trading app. The Exness Trading app has modern security features like the fingerprint scanner and two-factor authentication. And of course, security is one of the things you want to check out for when choosing a trading app or a trading platform. The app also has screen hiding options. Screenshots are disabled to prevent unauthorized access and theft. Exness Trading app also has custom notification enabled. This allows you to set alerts for important events, including when the market opens, so you never miss crucial updates. The Exness Trading app also has in-app customer support, so you have help center and live chat inside the app, and this makes it really easy for you to access support when you need it. With inbuilt account management on the trading app, you can easily deposit or withdraw funds and monitor your trades on the app. And this is good because it allows you to quickly respond to a margin call when the need be. The Exness Trading app also has inbuilt economic calendar, which is a useful tool for fundamental analysis as it helps you stay up to date with recent market news. There is also a market sentiment bar that allows you to see the level of fear in the market. This helps you know how traders are feeling and whether more traders are inclined to buying or to selling, and it's useful for making trading decisions. Now, if you do not want to download an app on your mobile phone, your desktop, or your laptop, you can also trade on the web using the Exness Web Trader. The Exness Web Trader is visually appealing and features a collapsible information panel, allowing you to switch to full screen easily. It also offers a more user-friendly experience with enhanced features compared to the Exness mobile app. Exness has also partnered with Trading Central to provide market news and signals, which are available for users to access at their own discretion. When you hover around the signal button, the latest market news related to the selected instrument is displayed. To access the Exness web trader, simply visit exness.com, navigate to the platform section and select Exness Terminal. Aside from Exness flagship platforms, which are the Exness mobile app and the Exness web trader, Exness also offers MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. You can trade with Exness or MetaTrader using mobile, desktop, or web. However, you should note that Exness does not offer MetaTrader plugins and add-ons which enhance the functionality of the platform, and this may be a disadvantage, especially for MetaTrader 4 that has a somewhat outdated user interface. Please note that for social trading, Exness offers a different mobile app for that called the Exness Social. You can download this app on Play Store and on App Store. And of course, the Exness trading app is also available on Apple Store and Play Store. The Exness Social app includes economic calendar and features a variety of strategy providers, allowing users to easily choose and copy trading strategies directly within the app. However, it is important to note that Exness does not support third-party copy trading platforms like DupliTrade and Zulu Trade. This may be a limitation because these third-party copy trading platforms have broader reach and have a wider range of strategy providers and just a wider range of community of traders compared to the Exness Social app. Also, when you factor in that Exness has some limitations on the regions and jurisdictions where they operate, you see that not having third-party copy trading platforms is indeed a limitation, because there are experienced traders from some other parts of the world where Exness cannot offer services that may be on these third-party platforms, and people who use Exness Social cannot access them. Now let's move on and talk about base currencies. When it comes to base currencies, Exness offers a plethora of account-based currencies. And it is noteworthy to add that Exness base currencies covers a good number of African currencies, including the Kenyan shillings and the Nigerian naira. But most especially, Exness offers the South African rand as an account-based currency. And this is especially beneficial to residents of South Africa, as you can set your account-based currency in rand, and this way you don't need to worry about currency conversion fees every time you deposit or withdraw from your account, or when you pay fees like swap or inactivity fee, because your account-based currency is already in rand. Now, speaking about deposits and withdrawal, you should also know that Exness offers a wide range of deposits and withdrawal methods. This includes bank transfer, credit and debit cards, Krill, Neteller, and even mobile money. And the minimum deposit for these methods is $10. When you deposit on Exness using methods like online bank transfer, e-wallet and cards, it takes about 30 minutes to be reflected in your Exness account. And when you withdraw from Exness using online bank transfer, credit or debit cards and e-wallet, it may take up to 1 working day for the money to reflect in your other accounts. Now let's move on and talk about customer service. And the reason why we need to talk about customer service is because no matter how good a broker is, there are chances that you run into situations from time to time, and you need a broker whose customer service is always available to respond to you and help you solve your problem. And that's why we need to also review Exness when it comes to customer service. And good for Exness. Exness has a good customer service that's available 24/7 and can be reached through email, live chats, and phone calls. When you send Exness an email, it may take up to 24 hours for them to respond. And so this may not be a very effective method of communication when you have an urgent situation that needs to be handled. Now, when it comes to phone calls, Exness has customer support lines that you can call to receive support. However, as at the time of making this video, Exness does not have customer support in Zulu language. That's when you make a call, it's only English that's available for South African residents. Now, the easiest and the fastest way to contact Exness customer support is through live chat. Live chat is available on the mobile app and on Exness website. When you initiate Exness live chat, you should know that you will first be greeted with a bot. But if you want to speak to a customer representative, that's if you want to speak to a human, just type the keyword agent and you'll be transferred immediately. The wait time to be transferred from the bot to an actual human customer support agent is usually about 10 seconds from the times that we tested Exness customer support through live chat. Now, Exness also has a feature called Help Center. This feature includes educational resources, video tutorials, and blog posts. However, finding this resource can be challenging, especially if you are not very used to Exness website. The Help Center is not prominently displayed. And Exness can make this a little more user friendly by having a dedicated education tab on their website. This way, it is very easy for people who are coming to the website for the first time to find the Help Center. It is also noteworthy to add that Exness has a physical office in Cape Town, South Africa. Now, there you have it. These are some of the basic things you should know about Exness. But it's also noteworthy to add that Exness does not accept clients from Malaysia and from the United States. But it is expected that Exness does not accept clients from the United States because Exness is a CFD broker and CFD is banned in the United States. But you live in South Africa, so that should not be a problem for you. We have also talked about the fact that if you are looking to really diversify your portfolio to futures, options, bonds, ETFs, Exness is not the broker for you because they do not offer these products. However, if you go through the product catalog from Exness and you feel that it is suitable for what you want to trade, then that's good for you. I would also leave a link to an article on Exness Review, a more detailed and comprehensive article in the description. And of course, don't forget, as a Forex trader, you deserve a community. You deserve a community of people that you can ask questions and get accurate answers from. We have this for you. We have a community for you. Just visit mytradingland.com. I'll leave the link in the description below. Join our trading community. See you in the next video. And I hope this Exness review was helpful. See ya.